So there are many reasons I asked you to be my wife. You're beautiful, kind, selfless, but most of all, you allow me to be vulnerable around you. I was near a breaking point when I first met you. You helped me out of a very dark place that I thought I would never get out of. From our first date, I could see your compassion, patience, and kindness. I vow to have patience and understanding just as you have for me. I vow to protect you and lead you and support you with love and enthusiasm. I am excited to be part of your family, and you are part of mine. I love you, Taylor. I promise to love you for the rest of my life.
So I have a few promises. I promise to be your biggest advocate and supporter, to sacrifice for you, to believe in you and our future. When you forget how smart and capable you are, I will be there to remind you. I promise to communicate the best I can, to be open with my emotions. Overall, I promise to love you forever and will be there for you always. I cannot wait to join forces and positively impact the world together. I love you.
Taylor, I give you this ring
as a visible token of my love.
as a visible token of my love,
And I give it to you as my own life.
and I give it to you as my own life.
John, I give you this ring
As a visible token of my love.
as a visible token of my love,
And I give it to you as my own life.
and I give it to you as my own life.
John, you may kiss your bride.
Create something new and rooted in love. And I'm so proud of both of you for how far you guys have come. And I can't wait to see and hear of the journeys the Creator has in store for you.
And to John, thank you so much for taking care of our girl and loving her so unconditionally. We love you so much. Thank you.
But I just gotta say, Taylor, you are very lucky because John is one hell of a man. And I'm so happy for you too.